Did you see it? Let's run it back one more time. This is probably one of the best UFO videos you're ever going to see. This happened 7 years ago at the Orlando airport. I slowed down a little bit. Twice I slowed it down. Let's do a 4th time slowdown. Much more obvious. There's the plane coming in to the Orlando airport. MCO is a designator. 16 times slow down. And you can really see it there. There's the jet coming in on its approach. You can even see the smoke ring back there. This is not a fake video. What more do you want?